Kurumirira tharikira ya mahiu kaunti-ini ya Laikipia kiumia githiru, Thirikari niyugite niretha Kihonia kia ndugamano iria ikoragwo gatagati ga kaunti cia Laikipia na Samburu iguru ria uici na kuragwo kwa mahiu. Ũũ ni kuringana na Ndumiriri irekereirio ni mwaria wa Thirikari Eric Kiraithe.
We would want to inform Kenyans that the government is aware of some of the challenges they are facing, notwithstanding the fact that explanations have been given on the Laikipia shooting of 70 animals in a shootout between the police and the herders who had invaded private land. The government will actually now carry out an in-depth investigation and find out whether the only bullets that killed the animals belonged to the police or there were other mischievous players within the vicinity. Elsewhere, our government is making every effort to ensure that relationship with our neighbors remain cordial and this country moves forward.
Nakio kiama kia mabishofu wa kanitha wa Gatoreki guku bururi-ini ni maugite ni meguthondeka kiungano gia kwaraniria gia kibururi ithenya-ini ria gwetha kihonia kia ndugamano iria iri kuo bururi-ini thutha wa githurano.
We have continually called on the political class to mind this country and save the country from falling into civil strife and anarchy, to make and promote policies that ensure equitable distribution of resources to the respect of human rights and dignity, and to promote economic growth and political stability.
Atongoria ya maritio thutha wa mitha ya kuririkana Bishop Cornelius Korir iria gutongoretio ni John Kadino Njue kuria maugire hari bata atongoria kwaraniria niguo kurigiriria ikuo na oho thukangia wa indo cia muingi iguru ria ndugamano cia kiuteti.
They are pressing political, social, economic and moral issues for which we must address and find a lasting solution. We as Kenyans must examine the underlying reasons and the simmering discontentment that bubble to the surface every time we have general elections in this country.
Nakuo kaunti-ini ya Embu, igoti inene kaunti-ini iyo niriteanirie ihoya ria gavana Martin Wambora ria guteaniria cira uria wambikitwo igoti-ini uria wari seneta wa kaunti iyo Leni Kivuti wa kuregana na guthurwo gwake githurano-ini gia tariki 8 mweri wa kanana. Cira ucio utanyitwo kwambiriria guthikiririo kiumia turorete.
In the present case, the third respondent is not relying solely on the record to demonstrate his case for striking out. He is relying on evidence outside of the court record. It cannot be said that the case herein for striking out is plain and obvious to the extent that that respondent has to collect evidential material outside the record and to file it in court to support that plea.
Na muthia murutwo umwe kuma thukuru-ini wa secondary wa Gitengera arekira kiranio gia KCSE ithero-ini ya borithi ya Gitengera thutha wa kunyitikana na ihitia ria uici wa giuthuru thiku 3 mbere ya kigeranio kwambiriria. Kuringana na OCPD wa Isinya Stephen Weda, murutwo ucio ndangiraikirio rumande ni miaka yake no gwe gwikira kiranio giake thero-ini iyo.
We have turned one of the officers into an examination room where we are giving him full security while doing his exam until that time that the exam will end.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njita Kamau wa Mwangi.